Hello, friends. I'm Sneha Rajput, the author of 7 Ways to Manage Your Stress. I've just published this book on 16 July, and you will enjoy reading it. It will bring you to success through improved productivity. It will release you of your anxiety, anger. You will reduce your worry as you read this book. I've put up simple strategies in this book step by step for you to practice in your leisure time. Take benefit of this and implement all the techniques that I have mentioned. Make your own notes and see that you are stress free with the simple daily habits you can develop as you read the book chapter by chapter. Even if a single person is changed by reading this book and remains stress free, I will feel that I have achieved the goal that I am through writing this book, to make people free of lifestyle disorders and manage their stress to a successful, happy life and remain fulfilled in life, as they will not be in a stress mode of life. So I feel you read this book chapter by chapter and make your notes for your use. I have put up some of my uh, ways of releasing stress, and of course some from research. So happily enjoy reading this book. I am the winner of book finisher challenge through this book. That the challenge was organized by my mentor Som Bathla. In this challenge, we had to complete writing the book and help the co-authors and put up all the key takeaways that we learned from his sessions, and I have achieved that. Hope you enjoy reading the book and give me a favor by sending your reviews that are valuable to me. Thank you.